Run out of milk and we wanted to make pancakes later. I know that you've wanted to go to the shop by yourself for a long time. We think that because you recently turned to 8, that you go to the shop by yourself. This is for you to get some milk. If there's any change, you can use that to get yourself something. We can't just let you go off by yourself. We need to take some precautions. So what I have here is this tracker from Atovos. Put this tracker in your pocket so we can track you on the phone. This is the 360 Go 2, which I'm going to put on so that people know that we're recording your movements and that you're safe. It's recording now. And I'm going to put this drone up in the air as well and follow you. Got the tracker on you on the phone. I'm going to put the drone up. It is the 360 recording. If you're ready, say I'm ready.
I'm ready. Love you, Daddy!
Okay, so she's successfully gone into the shop now. We've got about 10 minutes of flight time left on the drone.
Is it this side? Thank you. Hello, Daddy. I can see you.
See her waving. She successfully got a bag of stuff. Looking pleased with herself. How was your experience?
Very nice.
Do you feel grown up now?
Yeah. Yeah, we got milk. I got some M&Ms.
Well done. What did you get for Kai?
Oh, I didn't have enough.